Hello everyone, today I'll show you two settings hidden by developers that affect your phone's battery life. You won't find them in the default settings here. So now I'll show you what you can do without any apps or programs, and your phone will already hold a charge longer. How much longer will obviously depend on each phone. It will be different for each one, but it will still get better. Support this video by liking it, subscribing to the channel, and sharing with your friends. So, you need to go to your default settings, find the item called About Phone or Phone Information. And here you look for your firmware version. This line. If these are Samsung phones or some other phones, this line may be called the build number. Tap the build number about 5 times. I don't need it now, you're already a developer. You'll get a message saying congratulations, you're now a developer. Go back to the settings menu, to the general menu, and look for advanced settings. Here they are. At the very bottom, I have a section for developers. If you can't find advanced settings, because not all phones have them, then look in the system section. They're usually there. So, let's go here. And here you need to find certain settings. There's no search here. And activate them. The first setting is Limit Wi-Fi Requests. This reduces battery drain and improves network performance. In other words, two useful settings at once. Let's activate this option, and a little further down, scroll down here, you'll find Keep Mobile Data Running, so that both mobile data and your Wi-Fi aren't running at the same time, and they don't consume too much power. Let's turn this setting off. After that, the drain will decrease slightly, and the battery will last longer. Support this video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends.